In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome AI tool that enables you to make money online simply and quickly without any experience required. Thus, first of all, just you can head over Fiverr.com, one of the biggest freelance platforms out there. Then you can type here something faceswap in the search bar. Therefore, you can find a plethora of freelancers who provide this amazing gig face swap. That means you can replace a person's face in an image or in a video with another person. And of course, as you see, these freelancers are doing well here on Fiverr by providing this amazing deepfake technique. As you see, 600 orders, 200 orders, 300 orders, and so on and so forth. And for sure, this deepfake technique doesn't stop here as a freelance gig on Fiverr or similar websites, but you can also make money online using this amazing technique in different other ways, such as you can make funny videos on YouTube or expressing a given situation, or you can sell hilarious memes on Instagram, TikTok, and so on, or you can make filters you can use later on TikTok, WhatsApp, and so on and so forth. Of course, if you go to google.com to search for swap face online applications, for sure you can find huge amounts of these online face swap apps and websites. However, you can find most of them that provide the service as a paid service, or you can find the other that offers this service for images only, not videos, or you can find the quality of this deepfake process isn't good as you expect. However, I get your back. I'm going to show you an awesome AI tool that makes the balance between all these parameters. Thus, you can go to google.com and look for something that says faceswap.org and jump to the first result, swapface.org. Then you can be directed to this homepage of this amazing website that provides you a spectacular software, swapface.org. Then you can download this software to your device using one of these beautiful means, like through Mega, Google Drive, OneDrive, Mediafire link, and so on. Thus, for example, I will go for Google Drive, click over it. This arrow, download anyway, with the size 3 giga. Following that, after downloading this file, it would be like that, a zip file. Then you are required to extract it here. Perfect. Then it's time now to open it up. Click over this folder, click over swap face. Then you've got to insert your credentials and create a free account here on this amazing software, swapface.org. And for sure I have one, so I insert my login details. Therefore, you can find this amazing interface of this mind-blowing software, swapface.org. And here you can find 3 big sections to do a face swap technique, like stream face swap, or video face swap, or image face swap. This amazing software gives you a free trial to generate images and videos. And keep in mind, this amazing software also gives you a free quota to generate images and videos without any watermark. However, after finishing all these quotas, your assets would be with a watermark that you can easily remove in any other external website or application. Anyway, just here you can insert your video or image you want to do a face swap on, and put your person in question as well. So here a good question comes up, where we can get all these memes, all these scenes to make a face swap here on this amazing software. Simply and easily, there are many ways to get all these scenes and these clips to make a face swap technique. For example, you can go to one of these GIFs platforms like Jiffy.com. Here you can find millions of these memes and hilarious GIFs for any topic, for any niche as you see. Therefore, you can select one of these beautiful GIFs to do your face swap technique, like this one, and so on and so forth, or you can search for any topic as you like. And of course, you can find on the internet a lot of websites, Jiffy downloader, to download all these GIFs for free to your device to use later on face swap software. or you can go to some beautiful websites that give you screen memes to use on TikTok videos and so on, like this amazing website greenscreenmemes.com. Here you can find hundreds of these funny memes taken from TV shows, movies, Instagram accounts, and so on and so forth, to make a face swap to them on your software. And for sure you can find down below in the description box in the first comment a link that contains the best websites to get free memes and green screen memes as you like, including this amazing website greenscreenmemes.com. Or you can easily go to YouTube, and here you can search for something for a movie or TV show or talk show, and therefore you can extract your scene you want to make a face swap on. Or you can simply go to google.com, and here you can look for anything you want comes to your mind from a movie or a TV show scene, and so on and so forth. For example, I want to look for a GIF or a scene of a parted movie featured by Leonardo DiCaprio when he smashes a wine glass on a perch. And here you can find your desired scenes and GIFs. So for example, specified more like GIF. Okay, to get yours as you want. So your GIF like this one from the Departed movie. Perfect. Now you can click over this GIF to download it directly to your device to use later on your software. And then go back to software, face swap, and select your video face swap to make a face swap or deepfake in videos or GIF. Okay, and select here and upload your GIF. Then asks you to select the face you wanna make a face swap, the deepfake, Leonardo DiCaprio or the other actors. So you can select this one, okay, and choose. And now it's time to select the face in question that replaces this one. Thus, either you can use these default faces, or you can upload yours from this button. So you can upload any face of any person, like a celebrity, sportsman, in any niche, in any field, like for. So, for example, you can head over an amazing website. That is unrealperson.com. Unrealperson.com. Here you can find a lot of persons who don't exist really in our life. Thus, when you click over this button, generate, it will show up another person who doesn't live here in our earth. So, for example, we can select this one, okay, and download it. As you see, following that, select your person, okay. Then click over this button, start. Continue with watermarks because I ran out of my credits or quota of getting my assets without any watermark. Then click over this button, continue with watermark. Then after completing this process, you can find this window that says video processing completed. Open this folder, click over this button, open. As you see, this is the final result of face swap. So we replaced this person or this actor with our new person that got from Unreal Person, as you see. Therefore, you can use these such assets and these videos and GIFs, as I said before, in YouTube videos as a react for someone who's in TikTok, Instagram, for making react videos on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Or you can make funny memes that you can sell on Instagram or any other social media account, or make filters that you can sell on TikTok or a WhatsApp, so on and so forth. Or you can provide this service on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and so on, to make money online using this amazing AI tool and this amazing AI software, Face Swap. And by the end, thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.